You have been learning Turkish for a while. You understand many words. You recognize grammar. Maybe you can even follow simple conversations. But when it's time to speak, you suddenly freeze. Nothing comes out. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. And today I want to explain why this happens and how you can fix it. 1. You're translating in your head. One of biggest problems language learners face is mental translation. You think of a sentence in English first, or maybe in your native language. Then you try to translate into Turkish. For example, first you think, I want to go there tomorrow. Then your brain starts building the Turkish sentence. But this process is slow and stressful. Native speakers don't translate. They think directly in Turkish patterns. So instead of translating whole sentences, it's much easier to learn ready-made phrases. For example, bence, bana göre, aslında, these small expressions help you start speaking without building a perfect sentence first. 2. You don't know conversation fillers. When native speakers talk, they don't speak in perfect sentences all the time. They use filler expressions. These give you time to think while you speak. In Turkish, people say things like şey, yani, şöyle, nasıl desem. These are completely normal in everyday speak, but most textbooks don't teach them. When learners don't know these fillers, they feel like they must produce a complete sentence immediately, and that pressure makes speaking much harder. 3. You're waiting for perfect grammar. Many learners feel that they must speak Turkish perfectly, but that's not how real conversations work. Even native speakers sometimes change sentences halfway or correct themselves. Instead of waiting for perfect grammar, focus on getting the message across. For example, instead of building a long sentence, you can start simple. You can say, for example, ben yarın gidiyorum. Ben İstanbul'da yaşıyorum. Ben Türkçe öğreniyorum. Simple sentences create confidence. Confidence creates fluency. One of the best ways to start speaking more easily is to learn short, natural expressions that native speakers use every day. These expressions help you start sentences, react in conversations, and sound more natural. So I prepared a free PDF with 30 useful Turkish phrases that can help you speak more comfortably. To access the free document, you can visit ecemileturkçe.com. The link is also in the description below. You will also find information about my private and group classes there as well. And if you enjoy learning Turkish in a structured way, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks and see you soon.